Rosy Play Dough. What do we need? Let's get started. Take a cup and add 4 scoops of baking soda to it. Add 2 scoops of cornstarch. Add 2 drops of red color. Add 5 milliliters of water. Add few drops of oil into the cup. Mix them well. Have an adult microwave the contents of the cup for 10 seconds, using a microwave-safe container. Let it cool for 5 minutes. Add 5 to 6 drops of rose scent to the mixture. Then, knead it into a dough. Did the mixture have a fragrance after it was kneaded into a dough? Scientific explanation. When baking soda and cornstarch are heated together, they combine to form a clay-like substance that resembles Play-Dough. The dough has a fragrance due to the scent being added once the mixture has cooled down.